Assalamualaikum everyone, hi! Today we are going to make dates and raisins milkshake. Okay, let's start. We need fresh milk, we need raisins, we also need dates, and we need some ice cubes. Okay, are you ready? Let's go! Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we need to peel off the dates because we only need the flesh. We do not need the seed. So the seed we have to throw away. Okay, teacher used I think about 9 dates because I like the taste of the dates. So, yeah. So how about you? Do you like dates? Do you know that dates are actually one of Prophet Muhammad's favorite food? And not to mention that dates are a superfood. How cool is that? Okay, so now we can put raisins. I just simply put, I don't know how many I put inside there. Okay, so now we can put milk. Okay, I think I put about a glass of milk or maybe less. Doesn't have to be too much, okay? Okay, so now let's put some ice cube inside there. Actually you can just drink like that, but if you want to have them blend, it's okay. It's nicer that way. So there you go. Now we have a perfect milkshake of dates and raisins. You can actually put many other fruits as well, you know. But I prefer it this way. So I'm gonna give them to my nephew and my niece, Aisha and Faik. Amin. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Macam mana? Sedap? Okey, Aisyah pula.
Tak ada lah.
Bye everyone. Assalamualaikum. Happy Ramadan.